Hey there! Welcome to Home Fitness Fusion. We're here to energize your well-being and help you reach your fitness goals. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a beginner looking to kickstart your journey, you're in the right place. Get ready for some amazing tips and tutorials on fitness, diet, and overall well-being. From challenging workouts that will get your heart pumping to delicious and healthy recipes that will satisfy your taste buds, we've got it all covered. And guess what? We'll make it fun and entertaining every step of the way. Our passionate team of fitness experts will guide you towards achieving your goals, keeping you motivated and engaged. So, whether you're aiming for that summer beach body or simply trying to improve your overall well-being, join us on this incredible journey. Are you ready to transform yourself and unlock your true potential? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting content. Thanks for watching, and let's rock your fitness goals together.